Welcome to the Upkeep video series. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and today we're going to take a peek behind the scenes of an industry that's been crucial in battling the global health crisis. We'll uncover the journey of a bottle of hand sanitizer, the challenges faced by manufacturers like Sigan America, and how they've risen to meet the increased demand while keeping their workforce safe. You'll also learn how Upkeep supports these efforts. So let's get started. Every bottle of hand sanitizer has a story to tell, and today we're diving into the tale of Sigan America, a company at the forefront of the fight against the coronavirus pandemic. As the virus continues to spread, manufacturers of health and sanitization products are faced with a tidal wave of new orders. Today, we're going to explore how Sigan Industries, with facilities in the United States and Canada, rose to meet the challenge of increased demand for cleaning products, while also protecting their workforce. Sigan Industries was founded in 1998 and has since been a leading manufacturer of health and beauty products. Their production facilities are designed to cater to the specific needs of each customer, regardless of size. With diverse filling equipment capable of handling bottles, jars, and tubes of all shapes and sizes, Sigan Industries has always been committed to quality control. As the coronavirus began to spread, the demand for hand sanitizer skyrocketed. Nielsen market research firm reported that sales were up by 73% in early February compared to the previous year. Pictures of empty store shelves and stories about shortages flooded the news. Sigan Industries, previously known for making soaps and beauty products, saw the rising need and decided to make a difference. They swiftly changed their business model and began manufacturing hand sanitizer. Now you might be wondering, how are personal care products manufactured? Well, according to Minor Arellano, Sigan America's plant manager, it's a lot like making soup. The process starts with a bill of materials, which is essentially an ingredient list. Materials are usually pre-weighed or come in bulk. A compounder then follows step-to-step instructions to make the batch. Each sequence has critical failure steps noted, and if you don't follow them, the next ingredient will not disperse correctly. Once a batch is made, a sample is sent to the lab to ensure it meets all quality and safety requirements. After approval, the product is packaged using a variety of fillers, inspected, and then put on pallets to wait for distribution. While Sigan Industries is working hard to meet the rising demand for sanitization products, they're also incredibly focused on keeping their employees safe. They've reconfigured their production lines to give everyone more space and have added more hand sanitizing stations. They're also taking steps to reduce panic among their employees, with Minor leading the way with clear communication and regular updates. To help with preventive maintenance and safety checks on all equipment, Minor and his team rely on Upkeep. Technicians can log all information in CMMS, and the completed preventive maintenance is automatically sent over to Minor. This allows him to easily check on how his equipment is doing from anywhere, even while maintaining a safe social distance. So what advice does Minor have for other businesses responding to the coronavirus pandemic? First and foremost, establish open lines of communication with your employees. Make sure they feel comfortable and safe, and give them a sense of ownership. He also stresses the importance of reminding your team of your mission. In times of crisis, it's crucial to rally around a common purpose. For Minor and his team, that purpose is making a difference by producing hand sanitizer and other hygiene products. So, to Minor and his team at Sigan Industries, we say thank you. Thank you for everything you are doing to support and sustain our world. And to you, our viewers, thank you for joining us on this journey. We've explored the manufacturing process of hand sanitizer, the challenges faced by manufacturers during a global health crisis, and how Upkeep's CMMS can aid in preventive maintenance and safety checks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. If you want to learn more about Upkeep and how we can support your maintenance and operations teams, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.